This general election process, Pakistanis for Labour, they work with 100 potential candidates who wanted to become a Labour candidate, and a good number of them they become a Labour candidate, and a very good number of them they also become elected. And after the announcement of the election, we did the campaign in 30 different constituencies. So this is also a thanks to all of you who are with us doing a campaign all over the UK. So it's just like basically Pakistanis for Labour, a friend group where we try to have a different session, including the training session, seminar. During the Labour Party conference, we do the fringe event on a different diverse issues, and we also do some other receptions and other activities. And it's not Pakistanis for Labour is not for that we want to have a more Labour MPs, we want to have a more Labour councillor. Basically, we want to have a more engagement with the Labour Party on every level, whether it's at the local party level, whether it's at the local government level, regional level, or definitely the national level. And I think so Pakistani community is really glad and happy that Labour Party is in government after this 14-year austerity which we saw, and majority of us get affected during this.